Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In front of me I have HUAWEI Band 11 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to set a custom watch face on this smart band. Basically, if you want to use your own image or a picture as a watch face on your smart band. So let's get started. First, if you want to change the watch face or set the custom watch face, your smart band needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health on the, actually let me reopen it, on the phone that is paired with our smart band. And once you open it, tap on devices. And here you should see your HUAWEI Band 11 Pro. Tap on it to select it, to open the device page. Now scroll through this page, look for the My Faces option and tap on it. And here, find the face called Gallery and select it. And now we can set up our custom watch face. First, tap on the images icon and you have two options, take photo and select image. Take photo allows you to take a picture and use it as a watch face, and select image allows you to basically pick something from your phone. If you have some pictures on your phone, you can choose from them. I'm gonna show you both options. So first, let's tap on take photo. You will need to allow some permissions, and once you do, it will open the camera app. You can take a picture and then tap on the check mark. Now you can select the part of the picture you want to be on the watch face. And tap on the check mark. And here we have a preview of our watch face. Now let's add the photo from the phone. So select image, open download category, for example, select the picture, crop the image, basically zoom in, zoom out, and then move left and right. Select the part of the picture you want on the watch face, tap on the check mark. And now we can also customize our watch face a bit. We can change the style of the clock. We can change the color. Basically, you can add like a tint to a watch face, but I don't like that, so I'm not gonna do that. Then we have the style of the font of the clock. So you can change the font. Next we have the position, and you have center, top left, top right, different options, which is quite nice. And then we have the color of the font, and you can change it. And finally we have the data. Basically you can add some data like step counter, battery, and stuff like that. And you can tap on data 1, scroll through the list. For example, I'm gonna select steps. Then we have a check mark to confirm. Then we have data 2, and maybe let's select the battery, the most useful ones. Okay, and you can do the same for the second one. So we can customize both of them. Okay. Let's change the color to black so it's more visible. Or maybe purple. No, purple won't be visible. Something darker. That's not. Maybe gray? Or grayish. Nah, that's not gray. What if we tap on the bucket? It's without color. Okay, so let's leave it at white, I guess. And you can also enable the option to rise to display new image. So basically, if you flick your wrist with your smart band on, it will cycle between new images if you enable this option. And once you're done, tap on apply. And here we have our watch face, and you can cycle between them by tapping on the current watch face, or if you enabled the option before, the rise to display new image, each time you rise your smart band, come on, turn off the screen, okay, and wake up the screen, it will cycle between the watch faces, like this. Okay, and that's how you set a custom watch face on this smart band. If you found this video any helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.